Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
If there be no Lieutenant Governor, the President pro tempore of the Senate, the Speaker of the House, the Secretary of State, the State Auditor, the State Treasurer or the Attorney General in succession shall become Governor.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Most state legislatures can impeach state officials, including the governor, in accordance with their respective state constitution. Most impeachments have concerned alleged crimes committed while in office, though there is no requirement for the misconduct to be an indictable crime.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Appointment of governor. The governor of a state shall be appointed by the President by warrant under his hand and seal. Term of office of governor. 1. The governor shall hold office during the pleasure of the President. 2. The governor may, by writing under his hand addressed to the President, resign his office. 16 December 2020.
Make your mark, take our lead.
In most cases, the Lieutenant Governor is the highest officer of state after the governor, standing in for that officer when they are absent from the state or temporarily incapacitated. In the event a governor dies, resigns or is removed from office, the Lieutenant Governor typically becomes governor.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.